In this video, we are going to show you how to set up abandoned cart emails on Shopify. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account, so log in, and once you are in your admin dashboard, you want to look towards your main menu on your left-hand side, and you want to click on marketing, right? So click on marketing like this, and you're going to have some options here: campaigns, attribution, automations. You want to click on automations. There you go. And once you are in the automation screen, you want to click on view templates, right? So click on view templates. Here we would want to get the specific template we want, which is the abandoned cart email template. So how do we do that? There is a search bar here, right? So what you want to do is type abandoned cart. There you go. And it's going to show you everything. So what we want to choose, this is very crucial, is recover abandoned cart, right? So click on this option and this pop-up will appear, and it's going to show you the recover abandoned cart template that will be sent once we have integrated it to our page. So how do we do this? All we need to do is just follow the required apps, which is we want to install the required apps that the specific template needs. So we need to install Shopify messaging here. And after that, it's pretty much going to be automatically implemented. You can actually edit these, right? But you actually need to have a paid subscription, which in this example, we do not. But that's pretty much it. It's very streamlined. It's not really that complicated, even if you're a newbie when it comes to Shopify. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.